Uh, so this is the ME352 Group 3 meeting. We've discussed a couple topics, and now we're going to present our self-introduction slides. All right, so my name is Kole Pickner. Some of the stuff I'm involved in at school, I'm a member of Theta Tau, and I'm the president of the Order of Omega Greek Honor Society. I work for the physics department on the deep underground neutrino experiment project with Robert, actually. Robert's part of the senior design team that works with us on that. I've been pretty involved in choir and band since freshman year. And one of my favorite pastimes, I guess also I play a lot of guitar outside of school. And then one of my favorite pastimes is hiking. And yeah, the photo in the bottom left is from my most recent hike, which was at Crow Peak. And then the photo at the top right, we just initiated a new class of guys into Theta Tau, and so that's all of us together. But yeah.
Sweet, thank you. And my name's Allam. You can just call me TJ. I was born in Alaska and then moved to Aberdeen, South Dakota, and then finally to Rapid City to go to school. Some of my mechanical interests are just like anything aerial, almost aerial components for airplanes, drones, turbine engines. Some of my hobbies are, I'm a basketball enthusiast. I am 6'7", so it kind of makes it nice. I play guitar and I'm an avid PC gamer. Play Overwatch, like Apex Legends and WoW.
I'm Robert Munyan. I'm a senior mechanical engineering student. I like snowmobiling, dirt biking, anything outside of the motor, boats, RC cars. I've lived in Rapids since I think a little after the 2000s. I moved here when I was a little younger. I'm on the Dune project, we're 3D printing parts for that, for the neutrino detector. I'm in there with Kole. So that takes up quite a bit of my time. And family man, I got 2 kids, turned 40 this year. Awesome. So I'm a non-trad, so this has been a weird part of my life. So I'm happy to get through it. Almost done. So that's a little bit about me.
All right, so my name is Justin Briese. I'm a junior mechanical engineer. So my hobbies I like to do are jiu-jitsu, chess, and PC gaming.
My name's Hayden Pazenka. I was born in Colorado Springs and moved to Rapid when I was 2. Some of the hobbies I like to do is snowboarding. Down the bottom left, you can see we just made a ramp because we were bored and it was fun. I also played basketball all the way through, from my younger ages all the way through high school. Also love to golf. Bottom right, I got some new irons, and so I use that as a picture. And I also like to play video games, and I stream. And the top right is my logo for my streaming. And that's pretty much it.
Cool. All right. Yeah, so before we started recording, we talked about some possible ideas for the project. I've had a couple internships with NASA, and at one of them, I did some kind of dynamic systems modeling in Creo, which is a CAD software. But that was like a year ago, kind of before I learned like the math and stuff that was going on behind like the spring and damper systems and stuff. So I used just like modeling software to do that for shock absorption in the legs of a moon lander and also like the lunar soil. So that was the first thing that came to mind for me. We also talked about like Robert's interested in snowmobiles, so modeling some kind of suspension system for that. Or like some other vehicle. I'm also in auto engineering this semester, and so we've talked about doing some projects similar to that for that class as well. And then TJ looked around online for some ideas, and a simple one that might be pretty interesting is a pendulum for a clock as well. So we might get some ideas put together this week, and then vote on our next meeting on which one we end up doing. I don't know if anybody has anything else to add for this little recorded bit here.
I'm good.
I'm good also.
Alrighty. So yeah, we plan to meet next week and narrow down our choices a little bit, get something decided.